Hi.
To start with the recipe, first, let's get our veggies ready. Take 1 medium yellow bell pepper, 1 medium red bell pepper, 1 medium carrot, and 100 grams of green beans, and dice them all into small, even pieces. This will ensure they cook evenly later on. Set them aside for now. A little tip, try to keep the pieces similar in size to avoid some being overcooked while others are still raw. Next, let's mix up our spices. In a bowl, combine 1 teaspoon of ginger powder, 2 teaspoons of curry powder, 1 teaspoon of oregano powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 seasoning cube. Add 2 cloves of chopped garlic to the mix. This blend will give our chicken a rich and aromatic flavor. Make sure everything is well combined, and you'll know it's ready when the mixture looks uniform. Now, it's time to marinate the chicken. Take 500 grams of chicken and coat it thoroughly with the spice mixture we just prepared. Let it sit for about 25 minutes. This step is crucial because it allows the flavors to penetrate the chicken, making it more flavorful. You'll know it's ready when the chicken has absorbed most of the spices and looks well coated. While the chicken is marinating, heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan over medium heat. Add 1 medium chopped onion and an additional teaspoon of curry powder. Stir-fry them briefly until the onions become translucent and the curry releases its aroma. This step is important because it forms the base of our sauce, adding depth to the flavor. By the way, since many of you ask about this non-stick frying pan that I use, after trying several, I found one that really makes a difference. I'll leave a link in the video description in case you're interested. Once the onions are ready, add the marinated chicken to the pan. Cook it in its own juices for about 10 minutes. You'll want to stir occasionally to ensure even cooking. The chicken should start to brown slightly, and you'll know it's ready when it's no longer pink inside. Next, pour in 500 milliliters of water. Cover the pan, and let it cook until it reaches a boil. This will help the chicken become tender and juicy. You'll hear a gentle bubbling sound when it's boiling, which is your cue to move on to the next step. Add the diced vegetables we prepared earlier to the boiling chicken. Cook them until they become tender, which should take about 5 to 7 minutes. You'll know they're done when the carrots are soft enough to pierce with a fork, but still hold their shape. To thicken the sauce, mix 2 tablespoons of corn flour with a little water to make a slurry. Add this to the pot and stir well. The sauce should start to thicken within a couple of minutes. You'll know it's the right consistency when it coats the back of a spoon without running off too quickly. Finally, taste the sauce and add more salt if needed. Crumble in another seasoning cube for an extra flavor boost. Stir everything together, and your chicken sauce is ready to serve over white rice. The sauce should be rich and flavorful, with a nice balance of spices and a creamy texture. Enjoy your meal! And that's how you make this delicious recipe. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more recipes like this one.
Bye.